Imagine unlocking the door to a future where your financial stability is assured, simply by making strategic real estate decisions. Picture this. Every choice you make in property investment could be the key to building a legacy of wealth. See, how do you maximize equity in your real estate purchases to ensure this dream becomes your reality? We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. To start, consider the power of buying properties below market value. This means finding those hidden gems, distressed properties, or those needing renovation that you can get at a discount. Imagine purchasing a home valued at $300,000 for only $250,000 because it needs a bit of TLC. Instantly, you've gained $50,000 in equity. And that's just the beginning. By making smart improvements like updating kitchens or bathrooms, you can increase the property's value even further, setting yourself up for appreciation as the area grows. Now, let's move on to investing in high-growth areas. Picture yourself buying a home in a neighborhood on the rise, maybe where new schools or shopping centers are popping up. Over time, as these developments attract more attention, your property's value could soar, enhancing your equity significantly. Number 1. Buy below market value. Find motivated sellers and properties needing cosmetic repairs. This approach allows for quick equity building as you improve the home. Number 2. Make value-added improvements. Focus on renovations that provide high returns, like kitchen and bathroom remodels, which can significantly boost your home's market value. Number 3. Pay a larger down payment. By putting down more upfront, you reduce your mortgage balance and increase initial equity, giving you more financial flexibility. Number 4. Opt for a shorter mortgage term. Choose a 15-year mortgage instead of a 30-year one. You'll pay off the principal faster and save on interest in the long run. Number 5. Rent out a portion of your home. Create a steady income stream by leasing space in your property to help pay down your mortgage faster and build equity. Number 6. Refinance at a lower interest rate. Keep an eye on interest rates and refinance to reduce monthly payments and allocate more towards the principal. Number 7. Invest in high-growth areas. Look for neighborhoods undergoing revitalization or near new infrastructure projects to capitalize on rising property values. Understanding equity is crucial for wealth creation. It represents the difference between your home's market value and what you owe on it. This equity is not just about dollars and cents. It's about financial security and potential opportunities. For instance, if your home is valued at $400,000 and your mortgage is $250,000, that $150,000 equity is yours to leverage for other investments or major expenses. Imagine your future self with substantial equity. In times of economic downturns, you're cushioned against market fluctuations. Plus, your credit score benefits from responsible management. The more equity you have, the more doors open for future investments and opportunities. So what's next? Visit growthsense.com to discover how to explore equity-building opportunities that can transform your financial landscape. We connect you with distressed and rehab properties offering below-market value deals. You acquire these properties at lower costs, implement strategic renovations, and watch your equity soar. Stay tuned for more insights into real estate success stories and strategies that could change your life. Don't miss out on the chance to unlock wealth through real estate with growthsense.com, your partner in building a brighter financial future.